Hello, I am Samuel Rixo and I'm going to show you how to install the Smart Home app on the Raspberry Pi. First, we're going to the Raspberry Pi webpage and follow the instructions there on how to install Raspbian on the Raspberry Pi. After installing Raspbian, we're going to connect the Raspberry Pi to the internet using the Ethernet port. After connecting the Raspberry Pi to the internet, we're going to run the command sudo apt-get install rxcp to be able to remote access the Raspberry Pi. After installing rxcp, we're going to install rasp ap, following the instructions on the developer manual and using the core command there. To install recipe, we're going to follow all on-screen instructions on the terminal window, and after finishing the installation, we're going to reboot the Raspberry Pi. After finishing the installation for rasp ap, we're going to open the web browser for the Raspberry Pi and going to the address 10.3.141.1. We're going to use the username admin and the password secret to look at the Widget Network's name and password. Afterwards, you're going to connect any Wimo Insight devices to the Raspberry network or any other IoT devices, following each device's instructions on how to connect to a new network. After connecting any IoT devices to the Raspberry Pi network, we're going to install Node on the Pi using the command seen on the developer manual. After installing Node, we're going to install TCP dump or lib pcap so that the Smart Home app can capture network traffic data. After TCP dump has finished installing, we're going to go to the base folder for the project and we're going to run npm install. Additionally, while we run the project, we're going to open a new terminal window and we're going to go to the project folder and go to the client subdirectory and we're going to run npm install there as well. After both install commands have finished running, we're going to run sudo npm start on the first terminal window on the base directory of the project folder, and then we're going to run npm start on the terminal window that's on the client subdirectory. Now I'm going to show you the main structure for the project. First, on the main directory, I'm going to show you the server.js file in which we create the middleware routes for the APIs. And now I'm going to show you the connection.js file in which we establish the connection to the database using MySQL 2. Now in the scripts subdirectory, we have the scripts that collect all of the data for the database. We have the energy usage Wemo script, which scans the network for Wemo Insight devices. We have the network script, which collects data for TCP sessions, and we have the occupancy scripts in which we load a TensorFlow model online, and we make a prediction. For the front end, we have it loaded on the client, the subdirectory, and here on source and on the base directory we have the home.js view. And then here in the home.js view we load the data from using the APIs, and we push data to the charts. For the services, here is where we call the Axios to get the data. And here for components, we have the custom dropdown. We also have the energy chart, the network chart, occupancy chart, and the sidebar as well. And here for the APIs on the other subdirectory is where we use this. Is where we have run the SQL queries to get the data for the charts.